For physical nature, there is no success things has time, which misunderstand everything logically and literally. So why I am saying this? They are always trying to understand everything factually, literally. There is somebody who goes into past, present, and future. This moment, eternity. I want to you now. It's question of, are you living in the surface, or do you have a profound experience of what you know? So what do you think past? What I think you? What do you think future? Or what do you think it's now? It's all one happening. They are not three different happening. They are three different dimensions or three different geographical spaces that you can go into and come back. When you use to the work travel, it's success to the moment. Just a moment, I travel from point A to point B. I cannot do the point A to point A travel from point A to point A. I cannot travel unless I am making rounds. So right now, when you say past, present and future, so you are talking about triple A. It's AAA, it's not ABC. When we say time, which ultimately model physics will come to some day, hopefully. It's time, it's the basic aspect of creation. So because of the time, so there is a gravity. Because of gravity, everything else right now. So the problem with model physics is they have reasonably understood the other fruits. They are unable to understand what's gravity. Gravity is one sequence of time. It's not the other way around. Because there is time, there is gravity. The word time itself may not imagine your mind. For example, the Sanskrit word correct, it's kala. Kala is two things. Kala means time and emptiness. So Kali means what? Empty. Kala means darkness. Kala means time, and also means emptiness. So we will call you this God. So we are talking about time and emptiness, time and nothingness as the same thing. Because there is time, there is creation. Because what we call as creation exists, there is gravity. Because to maintain the integrity of a little bit of a physicality in this first kala, you need some force to hold it together. So gravity, it's only when time spans in a creation, where time which it's nothingness, time which is emptiness, takes a curve, physical dimension begins. So when you say spiritual process, you are trying to get out of the curve, because whatever crowds ultimately will go in the circle. So because experience time as a consequence of the curve what it took. So you are understanding the time as spin of the planet, as the rotation of the moon and the sun and whatever else. But when we refer to Kala, we are talking about more time in a fundamentally way. That it's emptiness. It is nothingness. It is clear space and time. model concepts in talking about time and space as two different things. So we are talking about time and space as one thing. The non-existential present that is there, it's kala or kali or emptiness or time or whatever you, or darkness, all these things. So same things. If you somebody travels in time, he is lost his mind. So don't ever believe, please. So I want you to understand. So you throw upon a new concept. So about how the experience which this concept which may not even exist. So powerful books be written, and one generation will be grow upon that, and it will die. So next generation had not even heard about what the books that wherever popular in 70 and 18. So this generation not even heard about things which shape those people. So physical completely. So time travel business, this near death that is going on, this are popular subject right now. So you want to reading, and it's all everything book. You will sell well, make money, and it's all right something. If you, so you are seeking, don't yourself into something, you will get lost. Don't do time travel, because you cannot do time travel. Time as a you can now only, this is a physical nature. So if you really went to the profoundation of time, if you want to the kala which hold everything together, which holds everything into the lap, so you must distance yourself from your physical nature. So then you will try to travel with you dimensionally. So shift within yourself, not psychological understanding of the time. What happened yesterday one time, what may happen tomorrow, it's another time. Not in the contexts. They are not three separate things. So for example, that happened, what happened yesterday, if you sit here and imagine and all that, it all happen now. What may happen tomorrow? If you sit here and the powerful imagination, it will happen right now. So this is why people suffering. So something that happened 10 years ago and something that happened may happen the day after tomorrow. They are enjoying and suffering things. So if you try to do time travel, you will lose your mind and thinking experience something. So you want to psychological drama creation, that thought and emotion, it's not life. So it is a badly directed in this movie. So you want to continue follow the time travel.